Okay, for this equation, they want us to state the slope and y-intercept. I'm going to rearrange this and put it in slope-intercept form, right? So I get 4y minus 8, right? I'm going to distribute the 4. Actually, let's do it a different way. Let me write the equation first, right? So 4y minus 2 equals 3 times x plus 7, right? So I'm going to divide both sides by 4, right? Divide by 4, right, on both sides. Because again, I'm trying to get y all alone. So I get y minus 2 equals 3/4 x plus 7. Now I'm going to distribute that 3/4 in. So 3/4 x plus 7 times 3/4 is 21/4, right? Now I'm going to add 2, so I get 3/4 x plus 21/4 plus 2, right? So let's come over here. 21/4 plus 2 is the same as 21/4 plus 8/4, right? That's 2, which is 29/4, right? Okay, so plus 29/4. So now if we look at this, we can just quickly look. There's the slope, and there's the y-intercept. And the reason for that is y equals mx plus b, right? So the m is the slope, and the y-intercept is the b. So we would write, m equals 3/4, b equals 29/4. There's the answer to A. And then C is -7,2, a point on the line. Is -7,2 a point on the line? So let's make some space here. I'm going to erase this, right? That was just my work. So let's substitute in, right? -7 is x, and 2 is y, right? So I'm going to put that into the equation. So 4 times y, which is 2 minus 2, equals 3 times x, which is -7 plus 7. So we got 4 times 0 equals 3 times 0. 0 equals 0. Yes. So for B, right, B, is it a point on the line? Yes, because it satisfies the equation. The left-hand side and the right-hand side are equal.